back to my channel, and this is Highlights with Favor. If you just see me for the first time, welcome to my channel. Please go down below, hit the big subscribe and turn on your post notification. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. You know you're already part of the family. So guys, today I'm not just gonna waste too much time on this intro. I'll just go straight to the point. Today I am making one of my favorite foods. Yes, today I'm making Alfredo, shrimp Alfredo, and that's it. So I will take you guys to the kitchen and show you what I'm gonna use for it, and we'll get started by making the food. Trust me, this food is gonna be really delicious, and I'm sure you guys are gonna go try it in your house. And also, if you try it, leave a comment below down there. Tell me how it came out. Tell me what you liked about the food, and also just leave a comment below. Tell me what you want me to make next on my channel, or whatever you want to see. Just tell me down. I'm here for you guys. I'm definitely gonna make it or show you guys. So guys, let's get started. Also, like I said, if you haven't subscribed while you're watching this, please just pause this video. Go down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification so whenever I post a video rather, you get notified, and give me a big thumbs up. Also like my videos, guys. It goes a long way. So guys, let's get started. Let's go make. These are the ingredients I'll be using for the Alfredo. That's the pasta. You can see the name right here. I'll write it down below on my description box. You can see the butter, no seasoning, parmesan cheese, a heavy whipped cream, chicken breast, any one of your choice. This is frozen, shrimps. Then these vegetables are just to garnish it up. It's optional. You don't have to use it if you don't want to use it. There's bell pepper, scotch bonnet because I like it spicy, broccoli, garlic is essential. You need it, onions. And I can remember from my last video, someone sent me a message and was like I should put out the name of the ingredients I'm using. So I'm gonna do that for this video. This is the Knorr chicken that I'm using. The parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese is everywhere. Parsley. I'm just gonna use this to garnish it up. And this is the heavy whipped cream. Also the chicken breast. This is the chicken breast. So those. So guys, this is what I'm using. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with boiling the water for the pasta. I have boiled mine before showing you guys. You can see it's ready. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil to it. This is gonna help the pasta separate so it doesn't stick together. And I'll be adding a little bit of salt to it. So now I'm just gonna add the pasta to boiling water that I already added salt and oil to. You can see it. So this is a shrimp. I added a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. You can use the Knorr seasoning I showed you or the all-purpose seasoning, and just a tiny bit of pepper to it for some extra flavor. I'm gonna set this aside after I finish because it's gonna come in handy pretty soon. So the pasta is ready. You can boil your pasta for like 10 minutes, not too long, so it doesn't get too soft. Now I'm gonna drain the water out and show you guys. This is what it looks like. You can see not too soft, not too hard, just right. Don't leave it for too long. And now I'm gonna get started with making this. First, I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil to the pan. This is for the shrimp, just a little bit, a tiny bit, so it doesn't get too much because it can turn out to be too oily at the end. So add all the shrimps and leave it in there for a couple of minutes. I like mine golden brown, so you see the end result of it. You see it's gonna be golden brown because I like mine golden brown. Do it to your choice. At this point, if you want to take yours out, you can. I'm still gonna leave mine for some minutes. You can see the other side is what I want, so I'll flip it to the other side so I get everything on the same level. So this is how I like it. Now I'm just gonna pack it out because it's ready to go and I have achieved my desired look. So the same pan, don't take out the oil, just leave it in there. It's little, but it's necessary. You don't need too much. Add a little bit of butter. This is the 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna leave it down there in the description box, the ingredients and the quantity you need. So leave this for some minutes, not even up to a minute, leave this for some seconds. And you add your chopped onions to it. Now I'll be going in with the garlic. I'm just gonna add a little bit of minced onions to it for extra flavor. It's optional. This smells so good, so I just like to add it to everything I make. And now I'll be going in with a heavy whipped cream. I would stir this a little bit and just leave it to cook for some seconds. And there you have it, you see. And now I'll be going in with the parmesan cheese. I just put it step by step so I can melt it in there. I don't want to pour everything in there at once. At this point, you want to add anything you need to add now so it cooks properly, because this is the essential part. So I'll be adding my habanero pepper. You can add your black pepper, whatever pepper, but this is spicy, so I need to let it cook properly. And now I'll be adding my Knorr seasoning. Just a tablespoon will be alright. I'll leave this to cook for about like 2 minutes. Now I'll be adding the chicken. You know, I said this is the right time to put anything you need to put in it. And the shrimp. Just look at the shrimp. Look at that color. Oh my. I love my shrimp to be that color, especially when I'm making this food in particular. So it's ready to go. You can see how creamy it looks, and it's ready for the pasta. So now just add the pasta to it. So you want to stir it properly, so you mix everything together, put all the cream in it, put all the pasta, just mix it properly, guys. You know what I'm talking about. You need to mix this properly. So now I'm just gonna add the vegetables, the bell pepper and the broccoli, just to garnish it and to change up the look, make it look really attractive. So I didn't put this earlier on because I don't want it to be too soft. Like I said, it's just for garnishing. The heat of the food is gonna cook it properly. Just look at it, guys. Aren't you hungry already just by looking at it? So now leave this for like 2 to 5 minutes to cook properly, and it's ready to go. At this point, it's ready, guys. You can see, no doubt, it's so yummy. It looks attractive, and that's how you make your shrimp Alfredo. So guys, now it's time to try it out. You can see how it looks so attractive and yummy. It tastes so good. From the pasta to the shrimps to the broccoli to the chicken, it's tasty and juicy. Oh my, guys, try this out. Leave a comment below, tell me how it came out. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, support your girl, turn on your post notification so whenever I post a video you get notified. And also give me a big thumbs up, like this video, share and leave a comment. Thank you, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.